Hi, Stephanie Johnson here with the Hair Care Company, and today I want to show you how you can fight dry winter hair. Today I went to go and shampoo my hair, and I noticed that my ends are feeling really dry and really brittle, and my scalp is kind of tight. And that's because, it's the winter months, and when it's cold, hair gets dry. Plus, we're wearing hats and scarves, and we have the collars from our coats, and those materials tend to draw moisture and oils out from the hair. So I am going to give myself a hot oil and aloe treatment. Now, what I did is I mixed together, well, I haven't mixed it yet, but I put together some aloe vera liquid gel and olive oil. And as you can see, I have it in a tint bottle. I have like 1 ounce of each, and they're separate because I have not mixed it yet. I haven't shaken it up and mixed it. But I also added 10 drops of rosemary oil and 10 drops of frankincense oil. And what that is going to do is the olive oil is going to give me lubrication for my hair. The aloe is going to give me moisture and be able to hold moisture and lock it in. And the frankincense and rosemary is going to give me stimulation and cell regeneration to promote hair growth. And what I'm going to do is I am going to shake it up and mix it. And as you can see, it's in the tint bottle. And then I am going, and it looks like this. Then I'm going to apply it to dry hair. I'm going to put it right to my scalp all throughout, comb it through, and then I'm going to put cotton coil around my hairline, and I'm going to put on a processing cap, and I'm going to sit under one of the dryers for about 10 to 20 minutes on a medium to high setting. And I'll come back and show you the end result. And here is the finished product. My hair is a lot more moist, it's not as dry and brittle, and it's a lot fluffier. And this is a treatment that you can do yourself at home. Now, what I did when I came out of the dryer is I gave myself 2 shampoos. The first shampoo was a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo, and the second shampoo was with a moisturizing conditioning shampoo. And then I followed up with a 3-minute instant conditioner, and then I styled my hair as usual. So if you'd like to know more information about how to get and keep your hair healthy, check out my website, thehaircarecompany.org. And if you want to know where you can get all the ingredients to make this treatment just for yourself, check out in the description. I will put all the information that you need. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.